In this short video, you will see how we decorated the ceiling that's right on top of the cake and the table arrangements. Welcome back to Adia's World, where we explore the new world of parenthood through our two butterflies. If you are new to Adia's World, this channel is all about the discovery of millennial parenting trends, the joy and challenges of everyday parenting. We share our experiences, ideas, and thoughts on wide-ranging topics, including early childhood education, travel, food, and fun. So subscribe and hit the bell icon for more. First, my husband ran few lines of threads aligning to the center of the layout, just to make sure so our ceiling decoration stays symmetric to the backdrop and the table below. So after that, we used the LED curtain lights to create the lighting effect we wanted. Once we ran the lights through the threads, we started layering the cherry blossom flower garlands in the same fashion as you see in this time-lapse video. I envisioned this piece of ceiling decoration would go very well with my vision of the entire birthday decor and setup. I thought floating the cherry blossom flowers along with hanging the candles would provide the necessary appeal for the overall theme of the birthday, which is stand tall and dream big. So with this, we are coming to an end to the compilation of Oviya's second birthday DIY decor videos. Hope you guys enjoyed watching and also found these videos useful in some way or the other for your own projects. We would love to hear from you and let us know in the comments below. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up and click on the subscribe button for more DIY and family-oriented videos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy parenting.
Don't forget to